some deliciousness for breakfast. The kids got waffles and bacon, and I just got waffles. Yummy. These waffles are my addiction. They're absolutely delicious. I love them so much. You have to have them if you come. I forgot to show you, they give you coffee in this little area. Walt Disney World 50th anniversary blend, Joffrey's coffee. And then they give you cups every day and sugar and milk. So, yeah. Well, it's
much more nicer than
time to go.
Because it was free.
It's time to leave and say goodbye. So long, goodbye. Auf Wiedersehen.
Kind of
To you. And you, and you, and you, and you, and you.
Goodbye, Disney.
Until next time. Now we're headed to Pensacola again. We're a little bit late.
Yeah, but we're
Because I decided that
Florida.
I wanted to have breakfast. So that put us behind. And we're off. Goodbye, Mickey. Goodbye, Donald. Goodbye, Minnie. Goodbye, everyone. Come on. Gotta go to Pensacola. Oh, look awful. Yuck. We just got checked into Holiday Inn. Oh my gosh. Pensacola Navy. And Amelia's taking all her little Disney things out. And the guy at the front desk told me something. The guy at the front desk told me that the restaurant that we're about to eat at, because I was like, hey, have you ever been to this restaurant? He was like, oh yeah, it was renamed recently, but he said Ted Bundy was arrested behind that restaurant.
It's a kill.
And he was like, did you know that he was arrested in Pensacola?
It's a kill.
I didn't know that.
Cereal.
It's awful.
Can you believe they killed all of the cereals they could find?
She doesn't know. We're trying a place called Taste of Jerusalem. It's only 5 minutes from our hotel and looks pretty good on the pictures. There's a hookah place right next to it. I think we go around. Fried cheese. They give you a lot of food. I'm so glad that we're splitting. It's literally, it's so big. Look at that sunset. It's not cold, Mom. Ariana.
Jeez, that's scary.
It scared you?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, sorry, my fingers. Oh, ah! Okay, stay with her.
Actually, they think you can. So,
Becca's burying her
Seriously,
husband.
a lid.
it's Pensacola.
Don't throw sand, please. It's a lid. A lid.
Don't throw lids either. Walking on the beach, taking a nice stroll, and oh my Gosh, it's a head. It's not just any head, it's Rebecca's.
Yep, it belongs to me.
It belongs to Becca. She brings it everywhere with her. To the beach.
Okay, whatever. That's a normal person. That's deep enough for that part. Sorry, Mom. We're almost there. I'm gonna stay from here and just walk back. Gotta make this
That's with the vibe. There's live music over there at Crabs on the Beach. And Abby is ahead. She asked Uncle Peter to bury her.
help.
Bathing suits welcome. Haven't filmed too much today. It's been very busy just driving. A crab pinched Amelia, she thinks. I mean, Ariana. Oh, I can't. The 3 A's. We're just walking back to our car. I'm exhausted after driving here from Orlando. It's a 6-hour drive, so not terrible, but 10 hours back tomorrow. It is morning time and we're getting ready to check out and head home. We've got the 10-hour drive. If anybody stays at Holiday Inn Navy, Pensacola, I left a little note in the Bible in room 403. We're all tired. Very tired. Yeah, our vacation has been really magical. If you do stop in Pensacola, the 2 places we ate at Crabs on the Beach, and that was fantastic. And then we also ate at, what was it called? The Taste of Jerusalem. Oh yeah, she was the champion. It's called A Taste of Jerusalem, and it's literally like 5 minutes from this hotel. It was super good, and they had like a whole grocery area. They have British chocolate, so I went a little bit crazy in there. Let me see. Okay, so I got some fruity Turkish delight. We opened that one. It's packaged like half of it. Like you can open half of it, and the rest will be sealed, which is nice. And then we got some pomegranate and hazelnut Turkish delight. And I got, stop it, please. Put that down. And flake bars, there was 3, but I ate 1. With honeycomb and nuts. I have not tried that Cadbury chocolate before. Bounty. We've got Galaxy Ripple, which they changed the packaging, I think. I believe they did. I remember their packaging being different. Got 2 Mars bars, and of course a Kit Kat. Delicious.
This little rat right here is blowing bubbles, and they smell so freaking good. They smell just like Disney World.
Yeah, they're the Disney bubbles. They're
Disney bubbles.
We're gonna miss that smell. We're in Alabama.
We're in Alabama, about to get into a tunnel. Last time we went on the tunnel, a bunch of people were honking and stuff. It was crazy.
Yeah, I don't know what. Like, we thought there was some kind of emergency. We were like, why are people honking? This tunnel it seems to get really backed up.
Well, there they
People
go.
honking again. Not as bad as last time.
Yeah, that's
Oh, never mind. walk and